Yes, you guys, Marise, Mamukase, Mese. I hope Muruguchengetwa Nedenga. Thank you so much for coming through. It's not so smelly. Hi, Julie Nyasha Kagore. Hi, Chengeto Mapie. Hi, Fadzai Phyllis Shanje. Hi, Nolin Zindere. Hi, Sis Lucinda Tadzoka, but this time it's not Sisi Meli. Hi, Zodo Michine. Murise, guys. I'm just here for a very short period of time. Then go out to Titaure about the stay away and the march. Itika ku Zimbabwe or tingati yangaichifana kunge ichiitika ku Zimbabwe. And just to share our 2 cents pamwe chete sevana veZimbabwe tione kuti zvichazombofa here zvakapera. Hi Remedzai Mercy, it's not so smelly. Hi Tokozile Machona. Ndanyora hangu kuti admin live kuitira ndagara ndaudza vamwe vaya vasingade kunzwa mamwe manzwi asiri smelly. Hi Sis Evangelista Chibi Chorira. Hi Consilia Dewe. Hi Ninyasha Makuyana. How are you guys? I'm just here to talk about stay away nematch yeku Zimbabwe. I think the first thing chandatanga kunotisa ndichitarisa kuti ndione kuti pane chamboitika here was ndaona video yemumwe ari kwaBulawayo aposta achitaura kuti hanzi, can you guys hear me clearly? I hope you can. Anga aposta achitaura kuti hanzi stay away zvashaiswa basa. Hi Sandra Nunurai. Hi Sherry or Sherry, I'm not sure. Aposta achitaura kuti hanzi the stay away yavanga vakaronga yashaya basa against the democratic Zimbabwe nenyika yedu iri kuenderera. Hi Sislu, yes it's me. Hi Alice Mugandiwa. Hi Seki baby. Hanzi stay away yavanga vakaronga yezvigananda yashaiswa basa. Hi my love. No. Hanzi stay away yashaiswa basa. Zvatadza kubudirira. And he was bragging, showing a video of Mutown Mekwa. Guys, Tichukura, who did not know that Bulawayo was one of the neatest and smartest towns in Zimbabwe. Cities, sorry. Hapana anga asingazvizive, but pati anga achiburitsa anga achita kunge ari kutora video yepa Growth Point. Thank you Remedzai. Anga achita kunge ari kutora video yepa Growth Point, but muri town center. And they're showing this achibrega kuti stay away yezvigananda yashaya basa. Hazvina zvazvaita. Sorry, thank you Kim. Hanzi hapana zvazvaita stay away yavo yashaya basa. Nyika, it's business as usual. What is business as usual? When you say it's business as usual, sorry guys, I might be, and as you can hear, I'm fuming because I think this is a topic so dear to my heart. What is business as usual? When you're showing Mutown Center in one of the main cities in a country, and you're showing a town center that is looking like it's a growth point, underdeveloped, mune vanhu vari kupusha zvingoro vachitengesa mabanana, and you're there standing and telling us with your fucking accent, sorry, but ndatsamwiswa guys. Mune vanhu vakazara vane zvingoro vari kubuda pavidhio. Nyika, it's a whole city, bruv, and you're there telling us, oh, zvashaiswa simba zvezvigananda. It's business as usual. What the fuck do you mean business? What business is there as usual? Kana vanhu vachitengesa mabanana. Guys, mabanana anogona kutengeswa ari kana dollar ari 20, if I'm not mistaken. Kuti munhu azonzi aita profit per day. And hi Black Lips. How are you darling? Kuti munhu anzi aita profit per day. Anenge atengesa mabanana mangani. Anenge aswera ari pazuva kubva nguva yakaita sei. So my question here is, guys, what is it going to take for us to get so upset as a country to say, you know what, enough is enough? Yes, pane vamwe vanenge vasingakwanise kunge vari paground. We understand that because I know pane vachauya vachiti kana zvakubhuwai huyai imimi mumire muite zvamuri kuda kuti zviitwe nevamwe. nyaya yamaposa musabvunze zvinenge zvine kahasha hasha, munotityisa. Nyaya ndo yatiri kutaura, mukangoti mirei mukateerera munokwanisa kunzwisisa. As I was saying, zvichatora kuti zviite sei kana tichiti zvoni tinongoti vanoda vacho vacharwadziwa ndo vachauya kuzobvisa. I feel like even if we made enough noise about this, even on the internet, zvaitoita kana change kana difference. Instead, what we're doing mostly on the internet is kutsvaga kuti drama nhasi riri kupi, drama nhasi riri pakadai so. Why are we like that? Airtime chaiyo. I think munhu anoita profit 10 cents per dollar if I'm not mistaken. Kuti uzonzi waita profit chakusvitsa ku $50 because my rentals anotangira kuma 70, 80. Why are we not talking about things like that? Why are we having conversations that don't change our lives? When are we going to think about bettering our lives for our children? Kumakresh cheko kwatiri kuendesa vana kumakresh. We are glad people are doing businesses ekuita makresh and everything, but are they teaching vana vedu the things that they're supposed to be learning? Do they have enough books to be teaching vana? Haisi nyaya yekungoti tiende paground chete tinodai, but ko tikaita mahashtag alright, tikamboita hashtag chakati hashtag this and that, will it not help the situation? Ko tikangoramba tichingoita zvekungotaura, guys, when are we going to be so angered? I know Holy Creations is so passionate about this because she's always talking about these things. But vanhu tinoita kunge we turn a blind eye when it comes to zvinhu zviri important. Tarisai nyaya yevana vekuurayiwa. It's not the first nyaya yevanhu vari kuuya vachiurayiwa. Pane vana anzani anatapiwa makore iyaya. If we had a proper police system munyika yedu, would things not have been better? Macrimes anongoya achienda, ukaona nyaya dzinozongonzi dzamhanywa anenge ari high profile cases. Nyaya yekwatapiwa makore yakauya ikaenda, vanhu tikaita noise about it a few days kusvika zvatongopera zvakadaro, tobva tapedza toti no kutsipikwa, zvakatsipikwa ndezvemushonga chete. Yes, mushonga iriko, but why can we not do something? What can we do? It's a conversation. Nolene, thank you for saying hashtag haishandi. Kana isingashande, in your own opinion, what works? Are we then saying nothing is ever working? Because tunoti isusu hatisikuda kuuraiwa, saka we cannot go and match. Yes, please share. Please share the live, guys. We need as many opinions as we can get. We want to have a meaningful conversation. Isina kutukana, isina kuinsultana. We just want to share each other's opinions. Tinzwisisane. Kwakaita vana vaye vekuwadzana, is it kwadzana, I think, vekuuraiwa, the 3 boys. Hapana chiri kumboitika, chiri kuita chine musoro, nyaya dziri kungotsikwa dzichingopera dzikatsikwa dzichipera. There is no actual police iri kushanda mukati menyika yedu. It's all corruption. Left, right and center, it's corruption. Totarisa nyaya yakabuda kwaTete Tilda on Tuesday yahanzi bla matsotsi. Nyaya bla matsotsi yakasotaurwa, vakaitaura, yakatanga ichitotaurwa nesomeone wekumaraini kwacho. Siyabonga Dube, I'm adding you. Yakatanga ichitaurwa kumaraini kwacho. Vanhu vakazopesera vazoya kwaTete Tilda. I'm adding you, please accept. Linzindere, let me pull you as well from the comment section. Yakatanga ichitaurwa from kumaraini kwacho. Ezvinezvi vaenda kunhingirikira kunzi kunobikwa mabira ekuti munhu abaye vanhu nemapanga. Kutora chinhu chausina kushandira, and we call that a country and we say it's business as usual. What do you mean business? Vabereki vedu, my parents, my dad is a teacher. Kubvira vachishanda, mari yavanotambira baba vangu cannot even take us isusu yanga isingakwanise kutiendesa kuchikoro. And it's always been a thing where people laugh and say, oh, my teacher habhadharo. But why are we normalizing that? Hospital. If you think of hama dzedu dziri kuZimbabwe, hadzisi kukwanisa kuenda kunorapwa, and we are not getting angered by that. Chatinogona kumisira musoro tichiti no no no, ninge hangadai so kuna ningi wangu, ninge hangadai so kuna madha wangu, ninge hanga. Why are we not doing the same with important issues? South Africa, you feel so sad watching my videos. Our fellow sisters, our fellow brothers, kutaroti, you know what? Go and fix it. I saw a video of this woman who was saying she could not even pronounce countries, and she was there saying countries. Countries you cannot pronounce, and they're telling us to go back to our country. If we go back, who's going to be taking care of you? Diaspora cheko, people are taken for granted. Just a minute, my sister, and then Lokupamkan, I'm so sorry. Diaspora cheko, muchichengeta, even when I'm muchichengeta, even within Buzz, you're told, oh, unonzwa mashoko ari racist. Kana kudzgonzi, taura zvandinonzwisisa, I can't understand what you're saying. And you're talking to someone in English. We are disrespected left, right, and center. Topedza toya internet, and we act like we know it all. No, we don't know it all. My sister, the floor is yours.
Okay, my sister, why you and thank you. Kana ndishaura kuti hatitega ishandi. Unoziva kuti you still remember kuti pane imwe machi yakamboitwa madays akapera yakashederwa kuti nagesa.
Yeah.
Unoziva here kuti pane vanhu vakasungwa nanhasi vachiri vakasungwa. So right now vanhu vakada kuti vapinde mustreet macho vashedzere. Vakaenda apo vamwe vanhu vasungwa vakutotadza kana kunotengesa mabhanana iwawo kuti vashandire mhuri dzavo zvavanga vachiita. Enda apo vanhu vari kungoona kuti bheta tisiyane nazvo. Mahashtag acho even pamasocial media pamukatarisa sometimes pakaita zvinhu zvaitika. Vanhu vanomboedza kunyora, vanomboedza kudhibata, hazvina zvazviri kushanda. Nyaya yevana yokuwadzana yakanzi hazvina kuzivikanwa kuti vana vafanira. Dai vana vanga vakasapoketa zvaitongoonekwa kumusini kuti vana vakasapoketa. That means there is more. But handinogona kuti zvatonyararwa zvaizvezvi tina baby princess ari kupera ari kumochari mwana. It's now 2 years going to 3 years. Hatizivi kuti nyika yeZimbabwe kuti hatitozive. Handina sure kuti pane chatingatiraya kuti tingasunungura nyika iyi. Maybe kungotarisa so vachiita zvavanoda ndozvandiri kutongofunga ini. It's okay, thank you. Chindidonedzako.
All right, darling. Thank you so much. And I understand what you mean. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, my love.
Okay. I really understand what she's trying to say, because ukatarisa munhu wacho wasungwa anozokumirira chai to say, oh, Neri akasungwa. Ngatimbonoita follow up tinzwe kuti nyaya yake yapapi. Oh, mhuri yaNeri since iye akasungwa. What's going to happen to the family? No one will come and check on them. Zvatongoita noise 2-3 days, zvotongopera zvakadaro. But then what is the way forward? Anzi Marian, I tell you, my sister, if all the socialites ese kubatana Zimbabwe change. Thank you. Look at the socialite Thomas Chijanje, Akamira Wega, exactly about the parent. I saw he pushed that for like the longest. Apana vanhu ma socialites vamwe vaishare those ma videos ake. Yakatongosvika pakupera yakadaro. With all of those sad videos I share. But look at where we are. Sis Lucinda is saying this week Chayo, no one even pushed the March agenda. Vanotoziva kuti tinoda zvisina basa. True. The only person I think Andakaona actually pushed that agenda was Holy Creations. And the last time Andakamona actually knew about it, she was really pissed off because anga aku like unorwadziwa uchitarisa zvatiri kuenda through senyika. It is so sad. My family's hope ukatarisa pane my cousin angachirwara ari kuZimbabwe. Let me just take this call, sorry. Hello. Hi, how are you?
Oh, fine, thank you. Yes,
yeah.
Yes, Saka, I agree with someone. I agree with someone anyora comment section kuti even pamasocialites edu kune vanhu vatinachitowo ma-influencers unoshamisika kuona kuti wiki rino iri ranga rakolwa maprotest naGeza hapana kana socialite akatombozomo kana kutombotiwo kwete kuti kwanzi kusapota because vanotya kuti vanogona kurohwa kana kuitwa sei but kungotaurawo nezvazvo Zimbabwe pane munhu ari kutaura zvakati zvikati what do you think kungopa that platform for people to talk because you can find out kuti vanhu vakawanda vanga vasingatombozvizive kuti kune maprotest but vanhu vanofokasa nezvinhu zvisina kana nebasa rese which is very bad and vanhu vari kutambura vanhu vari paground vanhu vanenge vari kuZimbabwe but havana information masocialites edu kana even vakaita malive kuti masocialites achoni akada kuti aitange topic sepapapa you started a very important topic asi uchiona kuti vanhu havambosviki kana 300 kana 500 because vanhu havade izvozvo vanhu vanoda zvokutukana vanhu vachibvarurana saka isusu eZimbabweans I think hatisati taratsosvika pastage yekuti taratsokurwadziwa kana tasvika pastage iyoyo ka I think I know kuti masoja ari murodhi vanhu vanopfurwa vanoitwa sei but just discussing about it toita sei in our country we don't have that we don't want that you know hapana anomanikidzwa kuenda kunopfurwa murodhi nemasoja but we don't even want to have a conversation kuti nyika yedu yonaka sei which is very painful and the other thing 14 zvimwe zvinorwadza inyaya idzodzo dzekuti even vanaGeza vachona nditi vanenge vachiita kunge vasina kunatsoronga zvinhu zvavo zvakanaka because hapana asingazvizivi my sister kuti muZimbabwe politics dzedu dzine munochitirwa munopfurwa ende ukapfurwa iwewe hapana anotozomborinemba zita rako pane vanhu vakapfurwa muna2018 demonstration I don't even think kuti vakawanda vedu chotoboza kuti ndivanani you are just forgotten and munenge makunzi izvoni manga matumwana nemune dzungu handiti saka hatisati tasvika pastage yeZimbabweans yekuti taakunatsoda kuti change iitike izvezvi unoona kuti izvoni pakasungwa our fellow sister Josie yayo yakanga kurufure vana ekuwadzana vanhu vakanga vakutoti ane dzungu dzungu akariwanza Josie and fellow woman vedu we ane vana Josie aikuda kuitawo the right thing kuti vanhu tanita nevana vedu vari kuuraiwa but vanhu vakanga vakumutuka mucomment section vachiti kwanzi ane dzungu Josie ari kudyora izvezvi ari kuameni whatever kwakasunga haasati aenda kukota I think but she is suffering on her own endaimiririra vakadzi vanhu vainoti enda kugrupu repaushamwari hweduko she wanted to sacrifice herself but where is she now? Is anyone taking care of your children?
No.
Saka zvimwe zvachona futi zvinoda kuti ane hungwaru just read the situation in the room usangomhanya mberi ukiti kwanzi inini ndinoda change muZimbabwe uenda mberi vanhu vekuZimbabwe they are not yet ready for change.
No, we're not. That's the honest truth. We really aren't. Thank you so much. Okay. Sis Lucinda, you're saying Margaret says vanorohwa nekusungwa imi musiko socialite ndorakamako manje. So what do we do, Margaret? Toita say, what do you suggest? Sis Lucinda is saying my cousin's 3-year-old daughter died in Mpilo Hospital because they didn't have a common phototherapy machine. Yeah. Guys, even my days I had COVID. Chinuchiri is simple. Sorry about my voice, guys. It's been a long night. Chinuchiri is simple as guys. Oh my goodness me. I'm sorry. Now I lose a train of thought yangu. Talent zvinavashe imi muri kuEurope isu tiri kuMbare. My darling, titori nemhuri dziri kuZimbabwe kuMbare ikoko. Matter of factly, so tiri kuda kungozama kuonesana musaodze mwoyo yevanhu tiri kuda kunzwisisana imimi tiri kuti zvepaground hazviiti hashtag yanzi haiiti saka tiri kuti here isusu should we just settle for less. There's someone who was trying to call me. I'm not sure if I should call back or azonyatsofungisisa kuti achade zvokufona. Hello. Hello.
Hi.
How are you? You can talk.
I'm good, thank you. Okay. Saka ndangojoinawo handina kunyage anonyanyonzwisisa zvanga zvichitaurwa before, but I have a bit of information on the protests that are happening back home.
Okay.
Saka, I just heard someone saying kuti kunema soldier and stuff. So this protest currently payaka announced and what's on the ground, according to the people that I've been talking to. Payaka announced wakati chukwita peaceful protests. So currently there are mapurisa. Because once you let out the soldiers, inenge over violent. So that's what is currently there, and that's what's on the ground. So the other thing is, of late, people have been conscientized about ways or on dealing with the current situation that we're having in Zimbabwe, and how we're supposed to protect ourselves. Let's say to march, so that to avoid a danger that we might face. Danger but measures that we can take to protect ourselves. Saka, one thing that people were saying, mostly zvinotaurwa ku-X, but pane vanhu mafundi akataura, and when they speak about it, zvitori viable. Saka, what we need to do, iye zvinokuwa kuitwa inonzi, handisi kune background, handisi?
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, it's fine.
Saka iye zvino kwakaitwa inonzi resistance groups. Saka what it is we are focusing mostly on protests or a resistance of the oppressive government is violent. Saka non-violent resistance, because what we know is once we try to be violent, we don't win because we don't have
ammunition,
equipment, or whatever equipment to fight. Saka stuff that there's lots of stuff zvakanga zvaitiwa kuti izvoni vanhu vakwanise kuzviprotecta. Saka the other thing is try kubatana. Like not everyone is for this march, but some people said they are going out. But as a country, so my South Africans, this is what I'm going to tell you, they are listening on. And they are quite agitated with the way we are conducting ourselves. Because they are saying, Kuti, we don't care. But tunakupindira nyaya dzavo dzeukoko. Saka this march, ikaita flop. I'm not saying it's a flop. It might be a flop currently, but it's because it's also as Zimbabweans at time. No one actually is, not no one, but most of the people, they don't care. And the people that are supposed to be spreading this, I think one of big platforms, they actually don't care. But it's chisafat and chinchakango ipa zvachoka chirikuitika is especially when we're South Africa. South Africans are waiting on this, and even from our platforms they are there. Ndoda one and andogara aripo pama platforms kana uya anonzi Z. Where Jojola. She's always there. She was even talking. I showed her this protest. I
saw that.
But they feel. You saw, right?
Yeah.
They feel kuti us as Zimbabweans atiskuita enough. Guys, it's not about the fighter government, but most of the people, we are all oppressed. We need to free ourselves.
True.
And we need to try, and as much as we want entertainment, this is for ourselves, this is for our kids. Nyika yedu is in a very bad state. I can't really, but there are platforms. I can even put a link as it is currently happening. Information out as it is currently happening, and even on the ground to help to conscientize them on how to take care of themselves, even kutiva protected danger. In this protest, I say kuti manikidza munhu kuti enda. No, it's what you feel. But vanhu vachona vari kuenda, let's support them.
True. How can we support them? Nekungoti tiri behind you here, guys, or do you suggest that there is more that we can do to show the people on the ground to say
yes. So the other thing besides monetary, let's try when we have this protests. Let's not give the police or whoever a chance to come and a reason to come and attack us. Vanhu regai kunoluta. Regai kuita zvinhu zvisingabvumidzwi kana matombo kana kuita sei. This is supposed to be a peaceful protest. All you can do is bring out your placards, whatever it is, but musaite zvinhu zviri dangerous because they'll have a reason. Yekuti vanhu vanga vachienda kunoluta, then you are attacked. That's one thing. So one other thing that we can do is to conscientize kuudza vanhu vari kumusha of how we can tisina kuvapa mari, because all you need is you don't even need kuenda unotenga placard. You can use your t-shirt, write what you feel. Kunyora even muruoko rwako. Oh my gosh, there's background noise. And is it? That's one of the ways are we supposed to do this? But as a nation, guys,
we need to.
This toxicity, iriko both online, Facebook, on social media, it's not helping us. People are actually paid to come and distract one from such that my events there's a lot of things going on such that it's just to not hooked.
I like something that Chidoru Tendo just said, and I want you to say your mind on this. She says, the thing is, there are people profiteering from the Zim situation as they are making more money because of the loopholes and inefficiencies of the system of the country. What do you think about that?
Yeah, exactly. This is actually, it's not just people to profit. Some people are actually paid. So even when you go online, come and distract. Some of these, but I know of certain people who are not aware even on spaces when we go on X. We are not aware to even when you are having a meaningful conversation like what we're having now. I know we are distract. I know we are lose focus or something. So even socializing, I believe. Sorry, this is not 100%, but I think who are paid to come and do this, such that during time really crucial like this, I think for now, regarding boardroom, if there's anything.
Thank you so much.
I'm so passionate.
I really enjoyed having this conversation. Thank you.
Saka, what I can do is a link for people that are interested, but it's not about people being interested. This is for our life, guys. This is our life, because what it is it's not really about partisan, Zanu PF or whatever it is. This is what's happening in our country, and Van Baruko analyze what's happening currently. Besides, could I went and follow Wigiza and it so is. This thing is about ED 2030, right? And if we are not able to defend this, we are going to have a kingdom in Zimbabwe, right? I don't know if someone can elaborate on this, but this is exactly where we are going, where we won't be able to do anything. The constitution will be thrown away.
True.
Anditi muri kunzwa paringe pasina zvekuti tichaenda kunovhota akusisina voting yamuri kuita. All you will be doing is following what the boss will say. There will be a kingdom. Guys, this is the time yekuti timbosiya zvimwe zvinhu zvatinenge tichiita and concentrate on our country. As much as we were outside, whether uri ku-UK, you are in Australia, you are in America, this is the time for you kuti concentrate on our country. Because even vanhu kwatiri kwachona, whether it's in Australia, it's in UK, hakusi kudiwa ma-immigrants. Eventually, our kids won't be able kunyatsogara muno zvakanaka. We want to be able to go back home. handiti kana tichida kudzoka tichidzoka, we shouldn't not be able to go back home because tikutadza kudzokera kumba. It should be a choice yako iwewe kuti aiwa izvino handisi kuda kuenda. But as it is, it's also when we've been stuck kunze kwenyika and people think kuti it's all good and kana uri kune nyika idzi dziri kumusoro, but it's not like that. Right? Guys,
thank you so much. God bless you.
Thanks, Ed.
Okay. Guys, I don't know. Titingabatsirane say varikuda kuedwa munongonyera kuti Ed, or you can send a request and I'll pull you through. I'll put you through, sorry. Ndanga ndichifunga nyaya if you remember pakaita inonzi that expose Al Jazeera. Guys, paya taifana kuita hasha, taifana kutaura about it, but did we even make noise about it? No. Just a few individuals came out vakatanga kutaura about it and how upsetting it was, but no one else ever really said much. Kusvika nyaya toparara, kusvika ka expose ka documentary katosvika pakupera. Pasina chataita. So the question on the ground is, what do we do? How do we move forward? What is the best way forward? Our brothers and sisters varikufa ku South Africa. Kuuraiwa sehuku day in and day out. Kana asiri nyaya dzema-relationships, nyaya dzemujolo, vanhu vouraiwa ku South Africa sehuku. Inyaya dzekuuraiwa because you're a foreigner. Or munhu ari kufa ku South Africa because they could not access kuwana doctor or hospital services or anything like that there. Ihama dzedu ngani dzapararira kunyika yeSouth Africa, tisati tataura dzimwe nyika dzakawanda. Ihama dzedu ngani dzanzi you're being turned down kunzi dzokera kwawabva. Munhu une nhumbu uri kurwadziwa. People are dying whilst giving birth. Vari kunyika yeSouth Africa and nothing is being said, nothing is being done. Todzoka toya ku Zimbabwe kwacho ma-Chinese acho chaiwo. Recently there's a case yevarume ma-Chinese, I think there are about 3 guys, vakapfuura a Zimbabwean guy akafa. Murume iyeye had a family. He was a family man married with kids, young kids that have not even started going to school. Akauraiwa sembwa munyika yake. Uchiuraiwa simply because you're just trying to get kamari kecheuviri. What do we want? What is it going to take? Kuti tite hasha as Zimbabweans and just say, you know what, enough is enough. If it doesn't take us marching in the streets, if it does not take us doing hashtags, the least we can do is even have a day of prayer. Kana ridhere kunzi kubika doro raiti kune ava vari kufamba kwaSly vachinzi ndivo vane mudzimu wambuya nehanda, bikai doro ndisunungure nyika yeZimbabwe. Kana ridoro racho ngatitenge chimera chacho, right? What is it going to take? Because we are everywhere. We are literally everywhere as Zimbabweans. Saka chichatibatsira chi? What do we do? What is it going to take? Vana vedu, zvikoro zviri kuenda vana vedu chaizvo chaizvo. They're not even going to good schools. Is that the life that you envisioned for your kids? Mishonga chayo chayo, HIV medication, cancer medication. Zvinhu zvingani that we cannot access senyika. Mwari ngavatibatsire. All we are doing is kutarisa kuti Pokelo haasi kudiwa zvakanaka nemurume wake, uyu anodiwa clear, Liya ndiye akadai. So we are just here to envy their lives whilst our lives are going downhill. Our brothers vari kupedza vachiita zvana inonzi chinot nyaope kuZimbabwe kune mutoriro. Vachiita marombe kuita vanhu pasina. Tatambura seZimbabwe. We have suffered beyond words. You can go ahead, caller. Hello, you can go ahead.
Okay. Unozwa kuti ndiri kunzwa nyaya muri kutaura inini, so sometimes handidi kunyepa situation ndio inokutuma kuti urambe uri munomu, but unoziva kuti like yesterday inini handitanya yandoifights, but like yesterday murungu wangu akabvisa trouser rake ranga akapfeka akasvika mumadvu abati, you know what, I'm very tired, I can't even take this pen out, come and help me. Imagine unoziva kuti ndakarwadziwa, but I don't have place. Ndoenda kumubvisa trouser, munhu anotozvifambira munhu ari right child, but because ndine passport ndiri muZimbabwe, that's why maybe I need that order kuti ndimubvise, even boots achida kupfeka boots, so anokudza kuti, you know what, I can't bend, come and help me, ndimupfekedze boots akagara so. Zvinondirwadza, but kuti usiye basa unoenda kupi, unotangira pai uri single mother. Zvangu hazvisi zvehospital zveki, but pandiri kutoshanda papo pari kundirwadza, asi handina choice, I have to stay. Ndakada kuti ndiende kumba, family inenge yakangotarisana neni, even now ndiri kutaura hangu, but zvinenge zvichindirwadza. Unoona, unongosina choice yekuti udzokere kuZimbabwe, unonoitei, unoshandira ani yacho yauri kupiwa iyoyo, unongoti at least zviri nani, ndichigona kutumira vana kumba, ndichigona kutumira vabereki kumba, better. But pane imwe situation yaunonyatsoona kuti imagine upfekedze mukadzi mukuru bhutsu, umupfekedze mateki, umupinde tambo, akagara pamubhedha, ipa haagoni, anogona, but ndakangobata passport yekuti I'm a Zimbabwean. That's only ndo yaari kutora advantage nayo. Ndakatombobvunza ndeyawo kuti ndandiri kumbobvunza kuti munhu uyu pane vaimbomushandira bheki vemunomu, like ndo zvaaikanzi no, anga asingadaro apari kutongotora advantage yetu yeZimbabwe. Unoona chituko chatinacho because we are Zimbabwean, that's all. Nangoti ndingofona hangu sisi ndidrope ngati sometimes wakataura zvinokamuka bhitana, but chinhu chokuti chinenge unoziva kuti kuita chinhu uchirwadziwa so unopedzera wane enga imwe kuti vanhu vari kumba kwakukumbira mari unonzwa kurwadziwa zingati kuti vari kumboziva kuti ndiri kufesana nei kuno, vari kumboziva kuti ndiri kutopfekedza murungu bhurugwa, anomira so apfeke bhurugwa rakusvika mumabvi muhabva kuda kuti you know, I'm very tired, waundipedzese ndisunge bhandi, akasimudza maoko kudai. It's very painful, but because you don't have choice, you have to.
I know.
Okay.
Thank you for sharing your story. Thank you so much. Guys, ndinobatikana a lot. Sometimes I end up getting too emotional. Yeah. Hazvisi nyore zvatiri kuenda through as Zimbabweans. It's not easy. It's not easy. And sometimes unovhunza kuti ne. Tunoitwa zviseko, tunoitwa zvituko vanhu vemuZimbabwe. We are disrespected. We are treated like we are nothing. Topedza izvozvo tobva tamira tobva tati zvoni it's business as usual. What business? Takapararira nyika dzese, hakuna kusina maZimbabweans, takazara all over. Nekuzara kwedu kunyika dzese idzodzo dzatiri, ukanzi mai vako izvezvi mai vako vakolapsa, pari kuda mari 1 ye-emergency ye-ambulance, pari kuda mari ye-hospital admission. Wakamira pawakati izvezvi, can you afford to pay mari ikanzi mari, alright fine, you can afford to pay 1,000 ekuti mai vako vaende right now kuhospital. Thank you so much for the link, Tino. Thank you so much, guys. Link yatumirwa naTino ndoye kuX, vasingaziye X kuti chii ndiyo yatinongoti Twitter, formerly known as Twitter. Kunotaurwa about operation iri kuitika inonzi chii, the current updates in March. So let's please follow the link inoti leader ikoko tunoona. Thank you so much, Sistino. I keep losing my train of thought. I think I'm a bit too invested in this story, but ndikukumbirawo vane pfungwa dzavanadzo, vane muono wavanawo, to please come through and just say your own mind kuti what can we do. I would be very grateful kana pane vanokwanisa kutega sis Holy Creations to come through, because I feel like she is just as passionate. Vanokwanisa kutaura one or two things, or zvavanofunga kuti tinokwanisa kuita zvinokwanisa kutibatsira. Tiri kuita vanhu pasina kuita nhapwa, and zvanga zvichitaurwa paipai nasis Chido kunzi pane vanhu vanobenefita from this. It's very true. There are people that benefit, because mukatarisa even zvese zviya kumbare, ndakakurira kumbare, I think I'm always saying that kumbare kune anozikanwa, kuna the road is what's the name of this road, Francis Joseph, kuna Francis Joseph road imwe yacho inodzika nepaside. So mai vanotida nyika igadzirirwe pasocial media, inogadzirirwa pai kuningi kwenyu, inogadzirirwa pai? Tiudzei, please tell us. That's why we're here. We're here for a conversation. We're not here to bash each other. If you want bashing, hamba uyofaka. Kana isingagadzirwe pasocial media, kwainogadzirwa kwacho chitiudzai, toenda kupi kwainogadzirwa? Please show us the way, lead the way. Please show us the way. Tiratidzei kunogadzirwa nyika. As I was saying, kumbare kuna Francis Joseph, pane road, ndakangokanganwa the name yeroad iyoyo. Kune ane makore kubva ndofunga ndiri kuprimary kusvika ndipedze kuhigh school, pamba ipapa izikanwa nokunzi pamba pemadrugs. Kwaiuya type netype dzemota mbinga, chii, vese they would all come. Even vana where the former head of state would go there kunotenga zvinodhaka, right? Vachitenga ikoko, pakanzi pari kuitwa raid, maiziya kuti it's only a day after vana vemukuru vabva. That was kudhara ikoko. After vana vacho vabva, ndofunga maparents akazviziva vakatsamwa, vaibva vatumira vanhu kuitwa raid. After a few days waona futi kwavhurwa. Up to now, that place is still up and running. Hapachatoiti zvokunzi kugara vanhu proper full time. It's now just a drugs haven. Hapana chimwe chinoitwapo kunze kwemadrugs. Vanogara kumbare kunational can testify about kwandiri kutaura. Kunozikanwa. Handifungi kuti kana police station yepaStoddart pana asingakuzivi, but up to now hapana chati chaitaurwa. Hapana chati chaiswa in place. So there are people that benefit from kudhakwa kwema-youths. When you see your brother suffering achidhakwa nema-drugs, when you see your sister achidhakwa nema-drugs, achita rombe, achimitiswa nevanhu, achirarwa nevanhu vakasiyana-siyana because she's high off her ass, hakuna munhu who cares, because they are benefiting. Vana vachiabuswa nevanhu vema-drugs, vanhu vachibirwa, vachibayiwa nemapanga, vobirwa mafoni avo just so people can get money to go and get high. We need to have this conversation and just say, so what do we do? What can we do? Twitter say, what is the best way forward? Varikupedza nguva vaya muroyi arikuroya mwana anonzi Mary uya, chitiroyerai zvinhu zvinoita kuti nyika iende forward. Kupedza nguva muchitiroya vanhu vanenge vasina kana chavakakutadzirai. muri kutadza kuroya zvinhu zvinoita kuti nyika iende forward. What can we do as a nation? What can we do, right? Pa social media. Ava vari kuti nyika ntokumbira uye vari kuda kufona, please call through. That's the number. I think I only have 10 more minutes here. And then tokwanisa kurara tozoenda kubasa later on, but please do come through, share your mind. Taurai kuti muri kufunga chii, because this is not it, Zimbabweans. This is not how our story ends. This is not all that can be there for us as Zimbabweans. Recently, Zimbabwe, did you guys know that Zimbabwe yakataurwa as Forbes magazine, I think #1 global destination, something like it's the #1 tourist destination on Forbes magazine. But what are we as Zimbabweans benefiting from our country being named as the best tourist destination in the world, not even just in Africa? That's one of the best. And they were talking about how peaceful it is, how affordable it is. It is affordable for people that are not in Zimbabwe. It is affordable for people varukuya vachipfuura. But for people that are staying in the country, it's not a nice place. It really is not a nice place. It's been named that, but are people in that country feeling the same way? Thank you, Chido. The lawlessness is just appalling. It's crazy. Like, hakuna chino chichafamba munyika yedu. I'm sorry to say it, but hakuna zvachose. Ukada utoite chinhu the right way, vanhu vanotouya votokuseka kutoti ava mabaranzi ava vazive. Saka toita sei? Nyika ichinemwa kunzi tourist destination, but how many people are in Zimbabwe right now vasatambosvika even pachinoi caves apo pakachipa, pachinoi caves? Vanhu vari muZimbabwe that have never afforded to be kuchinoi caves. How many people vasati vambosvika kunonzi kuVic Falls kwacho chaiko Kariba? But we're there in Zimbabwe. We cannot even afford to do that. Just sightseeing chete hatiizive. But wakakurira muZimbabwe osvika pakufira imomo muZimbabwe. Oh, God have mercy. God have mercy. Guys, nyika yeZimbabwe tatambura for years and years and years. Ezvinezvi now kwakutoya even nyaya dzevanhu vari kubva kunana South Africa uko vachinodzidza zvekubaya vanhu vodzoka kuZimbabwe vakuita zvavakadzidza zvearmed robbery ndo yavakuita kuZimbabwe. Tobva tati no nyika chiko chambopinda maZimbabweans ende vanhu vakungourayana vedu ende zvakadai so vedu. It's because there is no law. Hakuna law whatsoever. There is corruption. Izvezvi ndikanzi ndauraya munhu. Oh, thank you, Heavenly Rose. People living out of London have never been to London. So the fuck what? I'm a bit triggered today. Please be nice. And I'll try and be nice too. Your comments, let them be constructive. We are having a constructive conversation. Do not come here and try and think uruda kundishamisirira or kutaura and think you're bashing me. It's not a personal conversation. It's not about me. Hauskushamisirira inini. You're not bashing me. You are not bashing me. We are asking. What do we do? You don't have an answer. Answer pakuti. Oh, people living out of London have never been in London. So what? So what do we do? Out of London, London. People that are living out of London have never been in London out of choice. They can afford to come to London. They just don't want to. It's different from when you're in Zimbabwe and you cannot afford to do anything other than just stay. Pawakakurira. vanhu vari kuurayirana mafamily houses, not because it's choice, but because that's the only chinhu chiripo chine value. Saka mhuri yese tobatirana mapanga tomirira kuti imba iyoyo ndeyangu uyo kuti ndeyangu, simply because these people, all of these people fighting for this common house did not afford to do anything for themselves. So you coming here with a point and saying, oh, people living out of London, that is really useless. What do we do to move forward? It's a choice that people make. You're making a conscious decision to say, I don't want to go to London, but you can get in a train or end up in London right now because it's so cheap, it's so affordable. Vanhu vari kuno vari kuwana benefits. You're getting personal, my love. No country is perfect. We're not talking about perfect. We are talking about upenyu hwekuti vanhu vanokwanisa kurarama very comfortable. We're talking about people that are able to go to hospital when they're sick. We're talking about people that can say, amai vangu vaita cancer, vanokwanisa kuwana chemotherapy. We're talking about a life yekuti kana uchida kuendesa mwana kuchikoro kusvika apedza university, you get off your fucking high horse, you're done. Block. Okay. As I was saying, guys, firstly, I think I'm getting a bit too heated for this conversation. I'm getting a bit too heated. So I need to drop before, so I'm going to have to drop, but thank you so very much. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with me. Edwa, thank you so much. Allow me to just pray. Varikuda kunamata vari kwavari vachinamata neni pamusoro penyika yeZimbabwe. Can we just take these 2 minutes to just pray for Zimbabwe? Mwari vanotaura kuti panoperera pfungwa dzedu taomerwa. Panotangira pfungwa dzavo. He is a God of the impossible. He is a God Peter anosunungura marombe kubva muguruva. So if you want to please help me pray.
Hello.
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 Hello. Am I on live?
Yeah.
Thank God. This live just came through my feed. So I think I've got an idea of what is being talked about. First of all, Usawore Moyo. This is a good topic. As Zimbabweans, we don't want to face reality.
Yeah.
And what you've been saying, please, lift your spirits. I know it's disheartening when you're trying to talk sense to people, especially people who know it's true.
Yeah.
And it's just being ignorant. What I want to say is we need to wake up. We're not saying we should be violent. We should be evil, but we need to know Kutitinima rights. We need to know Kuti things that are happening in our country. They are not okay.
Yeah.
They are not humanly accepted.
At all.
Where have you seen a country where you go to a hospital, sometimes you don't even find energy paracetamol.
Paracetamol, yeah.
Apple, you go to where I am, you go to a hospital, you get treated for whatever you've gone there for. If they have all the equipment, I'm talking anything general, they treat you, they don't even ask for a penny from you prior to treatment. Anything. Let's say I've just come into this country, do it accident, I become in need of health treatment. They are not gonna ask me, Kuti, well, we are need drip here. Not a needle. Not think of this and that. Because health treatment, is very important. They need to know your origins. But it's just in our own country, we are sent away. I've got a relative, I've got my own sister, and sometime before, she was pregnant, and then she went into labor. Do you know, Kuti, and then she was supposed to have a cesarean. Before they did that, they told her that you have to go and buy everything that was needed. After she was in pain, she was in labor.
Imagine that.
Her blood pressure had shot up, but they didn't care about that. And not even, let me just add on to what they didn't care. We can't directly, blame the workers in a hospital, because Vashandi. But we have to blame our government that we look up to.
True.
When any country puts or votes for a government, we treat them like our parents.
Yeah.
They need to look after us. That's their duty.
Yes.
When I want anything nasty, or tomorrow, if our government decides, okay, we are not going to supply. Let me think what it is that they haven't done. Okay. Right now, there's the energy. Water comes in 7 days. Electricity comes in 7 days.
Yeah.
Is that normal?
No.
Let me tell you something.
No.
In England, water is a human right. It's a human necessity.
It's a necessity. Yeah.
It's not a lot. Yeah, we think of Badari's bill, whether you've got a bill that goes up to £2,000. They cannot shut water. Because it's a bare necessity, it's a human right. But it's just from Zimbabweans, whatever they decide to do with us.
Yeah.
We normalize everything.
We normalize it and we accept anything.
And they will accept anything. That is wrong. Until we know, we have to stand up for ourselves against things like that. They are not normal, they're not right, they shouldn't be acceptable.
At all.
At all. You know what? Right now, we've got a movement today, I believe.
Yeah.
And we've got this person. Of course, right now, it's understandable because we've got our trust levels have been destroyed. But at the end of the day, we're not doing this. Who's going to do it if we don't step up as one?
No one.
What is going to be the end result? We've got kids, we give birth to kids every day. Those kids grow up. What are they going to eat? What are they going to do tomorrow? It's just our parents, we're not protecting them. The same thing I was saying, Kuti, if we've got a government, we treat them, we expect them to look after us as our parents.
Yeah.
It's the same thing with our kids.
Our kids.
They expect us to look after them, and looking after them includes standing for our rights to the people with authority over us.
Yeah. The people that we put into power.
Exactly, the people that we put into power. In this country right now, I can go and protest and say, no, I can just go straight in front of the Ningikina, carry a placard or something and say how I feel about the Prime Minister. I'm not going to get arrested.
No.
I can say all sorts. I'm not going to get arrested because I am the Kuchema. And that's Kuchema Kwanga is supposed to be heard. What can we do different? But Kumusha, we are so scared. We just accept. Okay, let me just give another random example. Okay, because they took away or they limit us the number of times we can get water. They limit us the number of times we can get electricity. But then some people could afford energy, masolas, boreholes. What did they do when we started digging our own boreholes? They started charging people for boreholes.
Yep. Kamari.
Instead of them, okay, guys, we've got a situation. We can't provide electricity all the time because of the whatever. They explain to us, well, my dam's volatility. Then they should put my incentives. Okay, we will help you. We will put half down. That's what a true government does.
So what do you think we should do as a nation to move forward?
As a nation, to move forward, we just have to step. Okay, let me just reverse 2 seconds before I answer that.
Mm-hmm.
First of all, if we don't realize, Kuti, it takes a village to grow or to stand up, then we're not going anywhere. First of all, we need to stick together and reverse, and no, not reverse, and look back.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, I'm on my feet. I need to turn my head back and don't tell us where I'm coming from and think how many changes have been made in Zimbabwe. What has changed after we cry? Nothing. So this is when, now to answer your question, we need to see, Kuti, as long as we don't stand up together, regardless of race, gender, color, we need to stand up together for our own good. Because most of us who are like most people on social media, I've noticed what we say is, it's a mega. Politics. Imagine a whole grown nation who are even scared to say what they want to say on a platform about their country. We should doing them wrong. Aiwa takapusa. Let's say it all together now. If you're one of them, say ndakapusa. Say it now in your heart.
Say it again with your accent. Ndakaita say.
Sorry, I'm not sure that I'm wrong.
I know.
Seriously, guys, I'm sounding so passionate because Zenobia Radza, guys, I've been in this country for almost 3 decades. It's not nice.
No.
Do you know how much I miss home? How much I just want to go and stay in my own country?
I know.
But because I am thinking of this, that, and the other, there is so many things that we are being deprived of, things that should be just be available for us, to us. Mainly, I mean, here, most schools here, most kids, they don't pay fees. Primary schools, high schools. It's up to you if you want to pay fees because you take your child to a certain school. But kumusha, kids, because they didn't pay fees. Whether it's $25, whether it's $10, but they will send those kids back home.
Sad.
Why?
Very sad.
It's education.
Yeah.
It should be free. I can understand, my higher levels of education institutions like universities and all. Yeah, that's different. But even my university, I don't know how it happens in Zimbabwe. Here, you go to university, you get a grant, but at the end of the day, even if you have to pay, you paid wapedza, wakushanda.
No, tichiri kumashura.
How do they expect people to be able to afford all those things and yet there's no jobs? They're not creating jobs.
No
jobs. Look at our infrastructure. Look at our health system. Look at our education system. Just look at everything.
Yeah.
And we are considered one of the richest countries in Africa, sources-wise, mineral-wise.
Yeah.
We've got people from foreign countries. I will name my China.
Yeah.
They're in our country. They are making money.
A lot of it.
They're abusing us. And they're allowed to abuse us. It's just about it.
I even have a cousin, I'm Chinese, akabva asiwa futi.
Is it?
Yeah, so vari kutotisira futi vamwe vanobva vatitiza nemagold edu zvese.
Guys, this is no jokes.
No.
This is not, and I appreciate this platform. I appreciate, because it's not every blogger who can open lives and talk about this. We are good at going everywhere. I'm not naming names with this, what I'm going to say. We go everywhere. Those are my numbers and everything. But when it comes to fixing our country,
Yeah.
we don't want to know. We're not involved.
No.
We need to ask ourselves, Kuti, am I mentally okay? This is another question. Ask yourself, am I mentally okay by Kutiza's Zinovaka? Seriously, I'm telling you, you know what? I sound like, I'm laughing. I'm in shock. This is actually a topic that we're trying to convince each other, let's do this.
Yeah.
It's really sad. We are sad nation.
Very sad.
South Africa. We've been treated like dogs. And we are fighting with it. We're not going anywhere. We're not going anywhere. This is our... No! We need to go and fix our own country.
We need to.
They are right. They are right. But I think, yes, it's bad to be violent, to be killing us. But the message is right. They are correct.
Very, very.
They are right. Can you imagine a whole half of South Africans actually got in Zimbabwe because they can't face their government? Those people are not dumb. They wouldn't do that. It's only us that is dumb. That's another thing again. Say I'm dumb. If ever you're not doing anything about this, say I'm dumb. Or ask yourself, why am I dumb? Huh? At some point, I was at work. Night shift. And I was the only female there. And then I was working. I've said this story. People who know me don't know. They know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I was at work with Fungiwang. And we're just, after people have gone to bed and you're just relaxing, they were talking. So I was working with people from Eastern Africa, Western Africa, it was Ghana, Nigeria, so we're just talking. So I said, my sister. So they know, obviously, because I'm Zimbabwean. Where's my sister? And at that time, it was still Bob who was a president.
Mm-hmm.
So then they, you know what one asked me? Don't you have any men in Zimbabwe? And she can say, what do you mean? What are you talking about? Because I didn't even know where I was going to. I said, don't you have any men?
Mm-hmm.
I said, of course we do have men. I said, clearly your men are not your protectors. Look at what? Because how do you allow, they say that, how they pronounce, Mugabe, that's Mugabe, to do what he's doing to you guys. Why the men are not standing up to the forefront?
That's the same point I raised, no matter. She's saying that time of Chamisa, people were ready for Hondo, but he said Musaita Jojo Sotodiyo Tisina brave people to lead Asi.
Yeah, I understand. But what we're trying to do is to avoid violence.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, if it was another country, like I'll go back to South Africa. Do you know in South Africa what is happening in Zimbabwe now? If it was South Africans, it wouldn't. Anyway, it would not. Trust me. They would not allow it. They then burn down the buildings. They will just, find each and every person who should be accountable. Oh my God, those people. That's one thing I like about them. They don't know what is right for them.
Saka toita sei tobata ana baba atonde nana baba vevasikana here tovaisa murodhi vambomata nana baba arare. What do we do, guys? We need to do something.
Seriously. And the other thing is, talking about that, there's this thing, guys, even I'm just going to be open here. Because I've got no problem, because this is the thing, because it's like, we are scared. This is another thing. Tinevanu, vano garavachini ngirikina. Vachigamchira to my guests. But nobody protests, nobody stands up. And I'm making comparison, and I don't want anybody to say you can't compare England or America or Australia or whatever with Zimbabwe or South Africa. I am doing it. Because once people are in power, they've got a duty they need to fulfill. So can you imagine here, my sister, I don't know which country you're in, but let me tell you something. I'm sure you would agree with me. If there was somebody in the UK who was like, I know Zani, Wikinero, keep giving out cars and is associated with the Prime Minister, that would have been crushed and stopped almost
in a minute. Yeah.
But it's just, you find people it's
we're
like
normalizing it. Like, where is the money coming from?
Exactly. Those things should be challenged.
Even SHIO South Africa, vanoswera vakuinvestigate.
I am telling you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Even a prime minister, if they discover that an MP has abused or allegedly abused, the public funds, even abused, even in £12, that person will be investigated. How did you use this money? Where? Without authorization, or without you need to justify. You need to show proof. You can't do things like that.
Yeah.
That's what a proper. I'm not saying this government is perfect, but that's what a proper government should do.
Yeah.
So I've aired out my thing. I could speak.